I'm going to try not to behave like a loon, but I make no promises. Hello ladies, I'm Kimberly Cherry, and today I'm opening a grail. A grail that's been on my want list for, I'm gonna say a decade. Yeah, give or take, a decade. I've waited a long time. Right off the bat, there's words of warning. So when I open the box, this is the first thing that I see. Warning, 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 warning.
Okay, I get it. Resin's fragile.
Thanks for making me like more nervous than I already was. Story time. The FedEx guy, when he brought this package to me, he got it out of the truck and it was so heavy and it was so awkward that he almost dropped it.
I'm just gonna butcher this. I ain't gonna try to save it. I just want this thing open, 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 open. Wow! Since 2002. These guys are celebrating their 20th anniversary this year. That's so cool.
Congratulations, Dollmore. Okay. 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 Here is the big old box. God.
I said I would try. I said I made no promises. I made no promises.
I've waited so long. Y'all, and this comes at me at such a weird time. Oh, damn it. Tonight, there is a full blood moon eclipse. Okay, you want to see the sticker that I just tore off and that I shall be keeping forever and ever and ever because I like things like that? You're probably not going to be able to really see. Can you see any part of that? I should probably keep it on the box because I don't get rid of these boxes. What collector gets rid of their boxes? This is coming at a really weird time of my life. I'll be giving this doll to myself for my 45th birthday in 1 month from today. Oh dear, dear, dear.
Am I gonna need another set of hands to help me with this? Hang on.
I'm getting mad at this thing. Seriously, this isn't help. Okay, so I got this guy on like a 8-month layaway, and during those 8 months, they did their lucky bag thing, and I ordered 2 of those. So, also got 2 lucky bags, but we're not gonna open these today. That'll be a whole nother video. Maybe not the next video. That'll be a separate video. Let's see. I got a free gift. Oh. It looks like it's clothes for my boo, which he's probably not gonna wear. I guess I could have showed you guys how he was actually like packaged in there. And I guess I can still kind of sort of show you. So, you know, you can just depend, you can pretend that he was, you know, still all laced up. Calm down, heart. And he is so big, you cannot see him. He also comes with his own little underwear set and a head cap to go under his wig. Oh, hang on, what is this? And this is the type of doll that he is a glamour model. So this is like, yeah, this is his certificate of authenticity. Very important. Tuck that back in there.
It's a really weird time for me, y'all. I had a very good friend of mine pass away very recently. He was a doll friend. And so if my energy seems weird, there's good reasons for it.
Oh my gosh. They wrapped him well. It's been so long since I've gotten resin. I've forgotten. I've totally forgotten. God. He's looking at me. This is like performing surgery. Almost there. All right, I'm just gonna leave that out. This is going to be one of these pieces of my collection that people either love or they hate. Let's continue his demummifying.
I wonder how many of these there was. I wonder if I could count. Go back from the beginning. Okay. He's got such big feet. I'm using the smart doll's little feet. Okay, that's everything except for what they've got in between his joints. Which I'm not entirely sure how I'm gonna have to go about getting out. I think I'm done with that, and good God, what a mess. Alright. Okay. So, this is tucked in here the way that it is, because even his joints are painted. Yeah, they're just tucked in here, and you just have to manipulate the joint to get them out. So I'm going to take a minute to do that.
Such a piece of art. Getting this, oh my gosh, and he's still got one knee wrapped up.
Okay, can I put this away now?
Glad he's so flexible. Yeah, and he's already got scratches, so this is gosh, oh my gosh.
I'm gonna put him somewhere and never touch it. He's for looking at only. He's a guest towel. Do not use him. What?
My battery didn't die, but the camera did decide you're done, which actually was fine because I don't know how long that took me. I really wish I'd have been paying attention, but I wasn't. Things that I just learned include 2 sets of hands to unwrap. These guys would be most helpful. 1 set of hands to pull the doll's joints apart, while another set of hands is taking all this off. Oh my gosh. He's already scratched. I don't know how much of that happened during his assemblage and how much of that happened with me unwrapping him. But I knew that was going to be a thing. I knew that when I bought him, and I'm 200% comfortable with it. So here he is. This is Nayuta, and this is the Nayuta Nature full body tattoo. And this is all we're gonna see in this video, and then I will come back in another video and do a very detailed look at all of his artwork, because seriously, look at that. I mean, look at him. Need my heart rate to come down. Come down. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this a fraction as much as I did, and we'll be seeing him again very soon, and the lucky bags very soon. And yeah, we'll see you guys soon. Okay, love you, bye. I love you, bye.
That's just funny. That's what I tell my people when I'm taking up the phone. I'm Twitter baited, y'all.